All right, what's on the bench? A whole bunch of wooden boxes. Anybody who's been around RF equipment, if you see anything in a wooden box, might as well just bring out your wallet and hand over all your money. So these are cal kits of various types. And so let's take a look at what they are. We'll just start with a little box and we'll work our way down. All right, this one is an HP 35678A 50 ohm type N calibration kit. Let's pop him open. And okay, let's see here. We have a female or male, and I assume this one's female. Let's see here. Oh, this is kind of weird. Yeah, this one's female. All right. This is probably a load. Precision coaxial termination. Yes, indeed. All right. And this is probably a short or an open. Probably a short. Oh, this is another precision terminator. Oh, these are both terminators. Oh, okay. This is the male terminator and the female terminator. Okay, so both 50 ohm loads. And then down here we have a couple shorts. We have a male short and a female short. So there we go. It's opens and shorts and throughs. Now, if you have a particular piece of Hewlett-Packard equipment, a lot of times they will ask you which cal kit you have. So let's take a look at that. All right, this is my HP 8711C that I converted to an 8712C. Let's go into the cal menu. We have cal kit. We've compressed this one, and it says default is type N cal kit. Does it tell us more cal? A lot of times you can pick which cal kit you have. Velocity factor, prior menu. So I need to look up which cal kit this particular unit requires. Now the interesting thing is when you go to cal kit, it says the default N-type cal kit. So the default is whatever shipped with the instrument, so whatever part number that is. If you want to do a generic calibration, then you hit the type N, which basically ignores any cal data. So the default N-type cal kit, these calibration kits, like I just showed, they will have a particular inductance and capacitance and variation versus frequency and stuff, and the machine knows all of that. And so when you use these kits that are privy to this particular machine, it will use all that information. And by typing this in, it ignores all the information. So I need to figure out which cal kit this one shipped with, and maybe it's one that I have here. Okay, so this one's pretty standard. Throughs, loads, and shorts, no opens. A lot of times they'll just use the open connector as an open, and then they'll use the short to nail down the reference plane. All right, so that's what that one is. All right, let's look at the next box. Next box is a 11752D 3.5 millimeter connectors this time. Oh, wait a minute, connector gauge. Oh. I think I know what this is. Yes, indeed. These are gauges to determine whether your cables that you put the connectors on correctly. Yeah, I don't know how much they charge for these. Probably a lot. So this one, take the cap off. This one is for males, and this one is for males. Oh, no, this is the outer. The only thing different is the outer. So this has a outside threads, this has inside threads, okay? So here are the cal standards for that. Okay, this is a 3.5 millimeter female master, okay? So this is the female master, and here's the male master, male measurement device. So we will screw these together, okay? And then we will look here where that little arrow is, and then we adjust this knob here. Can you see that? We're going to adjust this for 0, okay? And so then if we had a particular connector that we wanted to test, let's say we have this one here, we can screw it on, and we can take a look, and we can see, it's a little bit short, 5/10,000ths of an inch short. All right, and so that's the way you test connectors, is with one of these doohickeys. It just measures the distance, the reference plane distance, right, in and out, or the pin distance. Not even the reference plane, it's measuring the pin distance, the mating pin. Maybe that's the reference plane, I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway, you get the idea. So there's the female one and the male one, and then the 2 cal standards for those 2 things. And once again, take out your checkbook, because this is going to be a lot of money. Definitely a lot of money. All right, let's put these away. Anything else going on here? No, these are just caps. Did I put the cap on? I didn't put the cap on. The cap on that one. Anything else hiding in here? Nope, just caps. Just caps. Okay. There may have been things in here that got stolen and used somewhere else. These are used. Okay, next box is the 85032B type N calibration kit. All right. And we got the foam crud. Everybody hates the foam crud. Yeah. Not good. So the foam needs to be taken out of the box and new foam put in place. Let's see what we got here. We have a we got foam stuck on it. So here's an open with crusty foam on it. And here is an open. So this is a female open, a male open. Oh, yuck. Okay, this is a N to 7 millimeter adapter. Got 2 of those. Down here we got foam-filled shorts and another 7 millimeter adapter. And then over here we've got N loads. We have a male and female N loads here as well. Nothing in there. All right, so got to get some new foam. Save this thing. And the other box is exactly the same. It is a 85032B type N calibration, serial number, blah, blah, blah. All right. Take that off first. All right, and the last box, it's the same. It is the Hewlett-Packard 85032B Type N calibration kit, and it's got good foam in it. Yay, yay. So it has a couple extra things though. We've got our opens, we've got our adapters, and adapters. We didn't really take a look at this in the other kit. Oh, I see, it's a male to open up. You can do it. Yeah, 7 millimeter to male. Those are 7 millimeters to female. APS, 7 millimeter APS. And then 2 loads and the shorts have plugs on them. Nice. And then we got extra. We got an extra thing. What is this? Type N open. Type N open. Interesting. Type N open. No, really? Wow. I've never seen this. I've never seen this. So this is an open, okay? And so you need a male or female. You need a female to mate with this male. So here, this is a female. So that would go in there like that. No, that's not what I thought it was. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, maybe it is. I don't know. Anyway, there's this little plug here with an extra little bit of length. And if you put it in here, now the missing part of the connector, the open, it's been extended a little bit because of this. So yeah, I need to read up on that, but that's fascinating. I've never seen anything like that before. Huh, okay, let's learn something new. Learn something new, interesting. Let's see here. What do I want to do here? I've messed it up. What have I messed up? Does this go here? I've totally messed it all up. How come I'm stupid? Oh, I put these together. That's why I'm stupid. I knew I was stupid. You don't have to remind me. Well, people do all the time, just to keep me honest. All right, so we can put this back on here, and we can put this back in here. So this is a nice Calibration. I'm not sure what goes here. Extra stuff? I don't know. I don't know why they have that empty space over there. But yeah, this is just a cleaner version of the last one we saw. So anyway, there you go. Opens and shorts, and we didn't see any shorts, did we? I don't think we saw any shorts, just opens and throughs and loads and various adapters. So yeah, very interesting cal kit. And like I said, the instruments, I've had instruments before where there's a big laundry list of which cal kit are you using. And then you go down and you say, oh, I've got an 85032B. And then it has rough ideas. These are manufactured within a particular tolerance. And then the mean of those tolerances will be inserted into the instrument. And so it will know, you know, the mean average of a cal kit. And even though it's not exact, it's way better than not knowing it. And it will be able to do a better cal